Hi guys, it's Ephraim HD here and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will look at how to improve audio quality and also make it sound professional in Audacity. Open the app and record your audio. Easy, right? Let's listen to how the audio sounds before we work on it.
Okay, so this is the audio we are going to use. Let's try and improve it.
Now select the audio and then click on Effects in the top left corner. When the pop-up appears, hover over EQ and Filters, and then click on Filter Curve EQ. In Filter Curve EQ, click on Presets and Settings. Hover over Factory Presets, and now click on Bass Boost and then Apply. Now we repeat the same process again. Effects, click on Filter Curve EQ. In Filter Curve EQ, click on Presets and Settings. Hover over Factory Presets, but now click on Treble Boost and then Apply. We do it again with the same process, but this time we select Low Roll-Off on Speech and then click on Apply. Now to the last step. Click on Effects, but this time we click on Volume and Compression and select Compressor. Here I always keep it on Threshold, 12, Noise Floor, 40, Ratio, 2.1, Attack Time, 0.2 seconds, and Release Time, 1 second. Now let me play the audio back and listen to how better it is.
Okay, so this is the audio we are going to use. Let's try and improve it.
If this video helped you, like and subscribe to the channel.